Well, after yesterday, with that terrible fiasco of this poor old thing catching fire, I've, here, we're just gonna burn this mantle in. Yeah, we'll let her go. It's hard to get right in there, but we'll put some heat on it, let it warm up, and we'll get that smoking here for a minute. Let her turn white, and then we'll light the thing up. Because I felt pretty bad about setting it on fire. I took it all apart, and yeah, here, maybe we can just get it to light just on that. I got my doubts, but here we go. Come on, you. I'm not sure what's going to happen here. There we go. That's pretty typical with a 236. Hey, come on, you. They're usually pretty good about lighting. So, we'll open it up. Probably going to need to pump that, but for now, I think that's okay. Man, I felt bad about that. I don't set them on fire too often. That one, I don't know what was going on. I wasn't paying attention, and when I was pumping the pressure to it, it was just pouring out the generator, and I never noticed. And next thing you know, whammo. The thing was on fire, and the flames were like, they were shooting out over the top of it, and it was just crazy. So, hey, you know, I'm glad I was outside. There's no doubt about it. But we'll let that run for a little while. Look at here. So a nice piece from, I think this one's from 1948. So we'll just have a look here. Yeah. No, this one's not the super old one. This one's from 64. Sorry, guys. But yeah, that one's from 64. I've got one inside that is my mom's birthday lantern from March of 48. So anyways, I've been redeemed, I think. I'm gonna let this burn for about a half an hour, 45 minutes, just to shape that mantle. It was a brand new mantle, because I when I took it apart to clean it, I had to destroy the other one, just get it off there, clean it up. So, all right, man, I'm out of here. Keep them lit, guys. Keep them lit.